back to my channel. My name's Anisa, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and ring the bell. Everything I will link to be linked to down below in the description. And let's get right into the video. So for today's video, I will be showing you guys the Natali Carmona little beginners bundle, beginners kit, nail kit. It is a really big box, as you guys can see. It's really heavy. It came in a regular UPS box. It got here really quick. I ordered this and the bomb nail stuff. The bomb nail stuff I actually ordered first, and these two both got here at the same time. So very exciting. This little sticker was already like kind of peeled up, but it's okay. So here's everything that's in the box. This is what it says. Thank you for trusting Getnailed32 with your nail supply needs. We hope you enjoy your new nail goodies. We would love to see you post a picture and tag us at Getnailed32. And here's her Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. And here's the website. And the box is cute. Let's fix that real quick. So it has a thank you card. Thank you for your purchase. Your support is truly appreciated. I hope you enjoy your products. And then it has the customer service, picture of her, and the stuff that is right here. So her social medias. And let's get into this box. So we have some nail art stickers. And I will swatch the acrylics a little later on. So here's the stickers. They're really cute. This did not come with the kit. I bought this separately, and this is some designer foils. Here they are. Gorge. So we have a straight edge nail clipper. This is primer. It doesn't come labeled, but it's primer. And this whole package smells so good. Even the box that this came in smelled good. And I'm pretty sure it's because of this cuticle oil. And this looks like it's gonna be very hydrating and nourishing, and it smells really, really good. It smells like fruity, like it's a fruity scent. Then we have dotting tools, as well as like some cleanup brushes or nail art brushes. This is a cuticle pusher. Five files, and something was spilled on this. I'm pretty sure it's the cuticle oil spilled in the package, maybe. Let me see if anything else has it on it. There's a little bit of like an oil stain on the back of this too, or like a stain on it, but it's fine, it'll still work. And it does smell like the cuticle oil. And these are all 80/80, and 80/80 is my favorite grit. Here's some leaves, perfect for fall. A manicure brush, tip cutters. These are similar to the one that these are similar to the ones that I already have, the purple ones. There's the little wax picker, not the wax picker, the wax rhinestone picker. And then here's the acrylic brush. It's a number 12, it says, and it says her name on it, and it's a nice wooden brush. This looks like it's Kolinsky. We got 2 KDS glues, which I use that glue as well. The monomer, and y'all, this is glass. This thing is glass. And these are wrapped very well. And it is 8 fluid ounces, so very standard. And then these powders are 2 ounces each. And there's a pink, and I think this is a clear or a white. We'll have to check that out. Here's some gold charms, the different shapes. Here's some more butterflies. Some nail forms. And it comes with a lot of them. Some tips. And some crystals. And you guys, these, she sells them on her website too. She has like the big box and then with the shapes and then like different kind like these, and she has some different colors and she has like neon and all that. So these are the good ones. These are the AB that are really like high quality. These amazing. And they don't have like a green undertone to them like the really cheap ones do. They have the blue undertone or the purple undertone. And we have a dapping dish, so our monomer can go in it. And then we have like 5 buffers, I think. And that is the end of that. I'm gonna go ahead and set up to do some swatches, and that'll be the end of the video. Okay, so now I'm ready to start breaking in the brush and all that. The lid has like a little stopper on it. I'm not gonna get too much monomer. Okay, oops. So I will do the swatch sticks and the swatch on the paper towel. So this is how I break in the brush. And you want to make sure there's no packing starch in it. So I've noticed that this brush is a little small compared to what I'm used to. I use the Beatles one typically, and that one runs pretty large, and I use the 10 and the 12 of that one. So I'm gonna swatch this color right here because that one looks like it might have a little bit of glitter in it. And it looks very smooth, and it also goes down very smooth, and it released like perfectly. So this is Kolinsky. So now for the swatch stick. This is a densely packed brush. Like I can feel it. So there should be no issues there. And I love like the consistency of this acrylic. It makes the bead like very workable. Yeah, I'm trying to see if that's the right word for it, because like you see how it goes into a nice malleable state pretty quick. Like I really enjoy it. It reminds me of the nut like Lucy, but it's not setting nearly as fast. So it's a very smooth powder. And like, look at that. It looks like strawberry milk. Gorgeous. It's a very light pink color, very soft. So this is clear, I believe. Yep. This might be a little too, yeah, it's too dry. And it's just a regular clear pretty much, so it'll dry and then be clear. So yes, I really enjoyed this kit. So this kit was $180. Is it worth it? Yes, I'm gonna say yes, because you get this powder. I'm pretty sure on her website, like, alone is like $12 or $15 maybe, and they're all 2 ounces, and they come pretty much filled, and they have the safety seal. So, and nothing really spilled or broke in the package except for the cuticle oil. It did spill, but it's still like the full bottle of cuticle oil pretty much. And the files are still usable. Everything is usable. So yes, I really enjoyed the texture of these powders. This brush is really good. Like, I really like it. I don't feel like acrylic is gonna get stuck in it easy. And this monomer, I like the setting time so far. I'll have to do a set to really test it out, and I'll have to use it with my like huge dapping dish. I'll have to see what's going on with that. But really, it was amazing. I loved it, and you get a lot of stuff, and it is worth its value, I feel. So if you were interested in getting it, or you were thinking about getting it, go ahead and get it. It's amazing. Yes, these kits, they're getting better and better. This one was phenomenal. It comes with literally everything you need to do nails. Literally comes with the file, the cuticle oil, the acrylic, the primer. I think the only thing it's missing would be a top coat, but that's about it. Like, it's everything else is included, so you could just provide your own top coat and then you're good. So yeah, here it is, clearing up pretty well, and I'm pretty sure, yep, it's dry. I don't know why I said it that way. This is dry too. So yeah, it doesn't have a bad setting time at all. It's not setting super fast or anything like that, or super slow. So it's a pretty good consistency. And yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this little review of my Getnailed32 kit, I guess, beginner kit. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.